This video is about some of the things that you might not know about Guide Eye, Fanuc Guide Eye. I'm a great believer in using everything on a control. If you've watched any of my videos or read any of my articles, you'll know that I'm pretty big on this, trying to use every button really, or at least knowing what every button does on the control. If you know what the button does, then you can make that informed decision and say, well, I don't want to use that, I don't like it. But if you don't know what it does, then you've no excuse. And I think if you force yourself to use these buttons every day, you will find there's way quicker ways of doing things. And this button is for editing the comment at the beginning of your program. That's the one you see in the program list. You do this from the program list screen, so where you've got this list of programs, you can then either add a comment or alter an existing comment, and what it means is you don't have all the hassle of putting the brackets in, which on a Fanuc control can be quite troublesome, actually adding the brackets, because some of them don't even have the brackets. You have to find the button down the bottom or whatever, but this just does it straight away. So you not only use it for altering a comment, but you use it for adding a comment. So if there's no comment there, it will actually add that comment to it. So I'm going to get straight into this now and start working on it. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to press the O list button, which is going to take us, we need to be in the edit mode and we're in Guide Eye. We're going to press the O list button, which takes us to our list of programs, and then once we get to that list of programs, you'll see this button that says EDT edit comment. Cursor down obviously to the program that you want, that'll be in blue, and press this button, and then you'll get this box that comes up, and in this box you can then just write whatever you want. If there's a comment already there, then it'll come up and give you the opportunity to alter that comment. If there's no comment, you can put a new one in, and then having put that comment in, all you need to do then is just press this alter button, and that will then either put your new comment in or alter the old one, and that's all you need to do. And then when you go into your program, it will come up as the first thing that you see in brackets. If you do want to add a comment in an actual program, remember that you can't have an end of block before it. You've got to put it straight after that program number and then your end of block, otherwise it won't show up in this O list, this list of programs, which is obviously what you want. So that's about it for this video, but if you do like this video or you do find it useful, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video, and you can also add notifications so you get to hear of all the videos that I'm adding, which I'm adding all the while hopefully. So thanks for watching.